How to rebuild your business after loan denials. Getting denied by banks doesn't mean your business can't recover. Many lenders reject applications based on strict credit rules and outdated standards that don't reflect your real potential. What matters most is your revenue, consistency, and the determination to move forward. That's why our team works as independent brokers with David Allen Capital, helping business owners secure fast, flexible funding designed for real-world challenges. DAC offers quick decisions, often within 24 to 48 hours, and funding is released soon after. Instead of relying solely on credit, their process evaluates your business cash flow and ongoing performance. To qualify, your business needs at least 4 months of operating history, $15,000 or more in monthly revenue, and a personal FICO score of at least 550 or higher. Your business must also be based in the US or Canada. For smaller companies earning below $15,000 monthly, DAC's microfunding loan options offer even more flexibility. With their $500 meet or beat guarantee, David Allen Capital ensures you're getting the best possible deal. If another lender beats their offer, they'll match it or pay you $500 in cash. Rebuild stronger and faster. Apply for funding today at jakefunding.com using the link in the description below. Good luck!